Welcome to Module 9. This is the module you've been waiting for. For all of those people who didn't want to actually watch all of the other hoopla videos, this is the one you've wanted, where I actually teach you how to do simple video editing. We're going to go over the types of apps you can use to edit and support your editing. Also, we're going to jump into all the different literal things you'll do in these apps. So from cutting and trimming to color grading, using green screens and all the other hoopla, I'm going to teach you what you need to know, what you should know about, but you probably shouldn't use, and I'm going to go into everything in between. So just a heads up, we will be teaching on InShot, an awesome app that's available on Android and iPhone, and actually I think Mac as well. But we start on InShot for a reason. I'll tell you more about that in the next video. But you can use any video editing because they all use the same terms. So catch you soon. Let's have some fun. Let's get into the meat of this program.